Okay, everyone close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Can you guess what the heck this is?
This
has something to do with water. I already know it.
Hold on.
is so easy.
Let me just show it to the people on YouTube.
That
Do you have an idea of what this is? Hold on one moment. Hold on 1 second and I'll give it to you, I promise. Okay. It opens up like this.
So easy.
Do you know what this is?
You fill it either with water or snacks. Just one or the other.
No, I wouldn't fill
And
that
then
with water.
is it for drinking?
No.
Or food?
No.
Oh, really? I thought.
Oh,
you were
well,
two
there's
at some
some
point.
water.
Yeah,
This is
I
some
cleaned
sort of
it.
portable plunger.
Ooh.
Portable plunger.
I'm thinking it's a portable something else.
I'm trying
Oh,
to.
When you like all the go.
ding,
I'm just thinking, I'm looking at the
got it.
shape, and I'm like, oh my god, that'd be a great thing to have when you're on.
Well, you urinate in it. Let's use the proper term.
You urinate.
You urinate in it.
No,
It's a
you
portable
urinate. That's-
potty.
I thought you
It's
drink.
a portable urine
You drink-
potty.
I wouldn't use this for emergency.
And,
I would just use this because I'm lazy.
and you pull it like this. And you pull it like this. And you take it with you on the road. Like
But
in your
if you're-
car.
But
that
if you're too
God
thirsty,
forbid you need to use the restroom. And you need to pull over. Or maybe you can't even pull over.
but
You
if you're
can
really,
use it in the car.
but if you're really,
You know, I'll
really
tell you this
thirsty-
much. You know who used to use these a lot? But they used to use soda bottles, so that's especially Snapples.
Taxi.
Taxi drivers, they used to use them a lot. I used to drive a cab back in the day, and they used to use them all the time. I'd look for a bathroom, but a lot of them didn't want to stop
So-
because time was money.
I would suggest you pop it open as much as you can first,
Yes.
because I
that's the
think
idea.
if you do after you've gone or
It'll
started
fall
going,
out.
you'll have an accident.
Okay. All right, that was a good guess. That was a quick one.
But if you're really, really thirsty
I don't know.
and there is nothing to drink, you just drink the urine.
No. Okay. All right, I hope you like the video.
You
I hope
do
it
not-
helps.
do not
Do you have
drink-
anything to say?
Do not drink anything that is not. Do not drink anything that is not something you should or supposed. Do not drink urine. It's disgusting. I've
Okay.
never tried urine before.
But
And I never will.
But what do you want to tell the YouTube video people?
So you're telling me bleach is bad for you?
Yes, it really is.
What do you want to tell them?
It's poison.
What do you want to tell them? Do you want to tell them who to subscribe to?
MT and IZ and the Gizwiz for showing my dad's YouTube videos.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. Bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Look at and info. Farmunion reusable flexible plastic hermetic portable camping car travel hygienic emergency urinals urine P cost $10.99 purchased on Amazon shrinkable designed to save room easy to carry in bag. Can be repeatedly used after cleaning easy to wash and clean. Material, PP, color, blue, diameter, approximate 2.76 inch/7 centimeters, overall height, approximate 7 inch/18 centimeters, maximum capacity, approximate 750 ml. Use the International Environmental Protection Material. Urine bucket sealing performance is good, after use will not leak. Necessities for long distance car driving, outdoor camping activities, etc. Farmunion Reusable Men's Flexible Hermetic Portable Camping Car Travel Hygienic Urinals. Product description: package contents 1x portable urinal. Hope info is helpful.